But Sherry, the Posh Paper Lady, she does some amazing crafts. And I've practiced with boxes on my own in the past, but she's got some really good ideas for crafts. So what I did was I learned from her, but then I adjusted it and I put my own styles in. And, you kind of, you learn from other people, but then you put your own in. So it's not, you copy at first and just to learn the craft, and then you take it the next level, or you give it your own twist. So I've made many boxes that I have made as gifts and given away, but these are a few that I have not given away that I practiced with and played around with. So again, the Posh Paper Lady, you have to check her out, learn from her. She doesn't just do boxes, she does all kinds of different crafts, and I learned from her. I have increased my skills from her, and I really appreciate what she brings to the crafting universe. So I just want to show you today a few things that I've done. So this right here I made, and it's all paper, and then it's got some brads here that are stuck on the inside. I put them in from the outside, but they're stuck on the inside and then covered up. You can see they're covered up with paper. Here's one of the brads from the opposite side. You can't see it on the inside. It's covered up with the paper. And then it also has the little purse feet on the bottom. And that is such a cute touch. And you can get those on Amazon. But it's such a cute touch. But can you imagine getting this, getting something in this little gift bag? It looks like a little purse. I mean, you would not want to give that away. You would want to put it on your shelf, or if you did give it away, you want to give it to somebody special, so that that they'll take care of it. But it is just so cute. And this, I guess I'll go with this one next. Now this one here, it's a different size box. You'll notice all of these are different, but it's a different size box. It doesn't have the purse feet on the bottom, but I love the paper pattern. And you can make these all your own with different colors of paper, different pads of paper, single sheets of paper. It really just depends. And some you might have to go to if you want the larger sheets, you might have to go to the bigger craft stores just to get those, the specialty stores, but it is so worth it. And this right here is paper as well. It's just a solid sheet, a solid piece of paper, thicker cardstock, I should say. But the kicker is it also has a magnetic closure, which is the cutest thing. So the it's got two magnets on the, oops, I'm not even showing this, not even the camera. Okay, so it's got two magnets, one right here and one right here, and they're on the inside of the paper. And sometimes you can see the glue on these because I was just starting out and I was trying to figure out what I wanted to do. So I was experimenting with different styles and all of that. But, if you take your time, you might see a tiny bit of glue, but you won't see, most of it. You can kind of see it shining in there. But anyway, it's made of cardboard, thicker cardboard. And I can't remember the name of it right now. Why can't I remember that? But anyway, so I just added a strip of paper here, a decorative piece of paper on the inside that matches the outside of the box, which is cute. And I chose one of the colors from the inside of the box to put as a highlighter. So everything wasn't the same color, but you're welcome to make everything the same color. And then on the inside, I mean, it is sturdy. It is sturdy. This is all glue and paper. And who would not be happy to get a box like that? You can make them whatever sizes. I do my own paper sizes. I draw them out on paper, and then I go ahead and cut them out myself, and I cut the paper out and I figure out where I want to put it. It's really all up to you. You can make them different shapes and all of that, but I mean, just adorable. And it's got the two, like I said, magnetic closures. So that works. And then there's this one right here, also cute. It's like a book style. I just gave it a little piece of ribbon right here to go over the back of it, but it's like a book style. This is part of the top closure, and this does not have a magnet, but it has Velcro instead. So that's equally cute, and the pattern is cute. The paper, you can see the shine on that. The paper pad, I just love shiny accents on paper. I just love it. But anyway, so this is a really cute paper pattern. I did not match the patterns all the way around because that was near impossible. But it's made of different pieces of cardboard that are cut out, and then the paper is placed over them. I use glue and tape. I like to use tape because it's not as sticky. It doesn't come through. I mean, it is sticky, but it doesn't come through. It's not so gluey like, it's not going to get everywhere. But the only thing about tape is that once you stick it down, it's stuck. Glue, you can move around a little bit, but once you stick it down, it is stuck. So, you can kind of experiment, see which one works better for you. And these little Velcro pads, you can just buy them at the craft store or get them on Amazon. And they have sticky backs, and they have square ones. They have these circle ones. They have different colored ones, black and white and all that. So just see what you want. But you see how this opens. I mean, that is the cutest. You can put candies in there. You can put a book in there, some other little gift in there, a scarf in there. A little baby gift. That would be so cute. A little baby onesie, put the tissue paper, baby onesies, a couple diapers or a rattle, something like that in there, and then close it up. And then this is the gift. You don't have to wrap it or anything. This is the gift, and you can just tie a ribbon around it with a note card or something like that attached, or put the card inside the box. So lots of ideas to do with these boxes. But you see, I did the accent paper with the swans, and the swans have the foil beaks, and I love that as well. And these came in the same paper pack, so they matched up, but you can do what you want. So I just wanted to show you guys some of the crafts that I actually do. I do learn some of these things from people on YouTube. Just like you're watching this video, I have watched others and I've learned from others, and then I've developed my own style, and a lot of those I have given away. But if you're interested in me showing you how to do some of these different styles that I do, or definitely go see Sherry at the Posh Paper Lady. Definitely go and check out her channel, because she's got some amazing craft projects. I haven't even been able to attempt to do all of the projects that she has on her page, but they are amazing crafts. She is wonderful, and there are so many others, but she just comes to mind because I saw these boxes in my drawer, and I was like, oh yeah, when I was learning how to do those. So definitely check her out if you're interested in me showing you how to do some of these and adding my own accents and what I do to change them up, make them different, add some new things. If you want to show me something that you've done, post it in the comments, and show some pictures of things that you've done, crafts that you've done. And I hope you all have a wonderful day. Come back, watch some more of my videos. Please subscribe and pass my channel on to others who may be interested in these crafts. So have a great Sunday. I hope you enjoyed the crafts that I do, and I'll be back with more arts and crafts and drawings for you really soon. All right, have a great day. Peace.